Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks we will understand about R command. This is the draw panel. We have seen previous exercise line command we have seen, and the rectangle command, polygon command we have seen, and circle command also we have seen in the previous exercises. Okay, in this exercise we will understand all the options of the R command. First option is the 3-point arc. For this I make a triangle with the help of the polygon. Polygon, number of side 3, enter, edge method. Now click anywhere, and this one, ortho on this one, and give the dimension of the triangle. Suppose I make 300, enter. This is our triangle. Zoom it, this one. So first command is the 3-point. I am selecting this one, click first point, second point, and third point. This is the arc. Again, you press enter to repeat the previous command. Please note this thing. You can repeat the last command by pressing enter. Suppose I press enter. Now arc command is active. This point, and this point. This is the 3-point arc method. Okay. Now, next is the start, center, end. This one, I will use this option. Okay, first I will make a geometry here. This one, with the help of the line, this, give dimension 200, enter. Again in this direction, 200, enter. Out of the command, enter, out of the command. Now I am using this option, start, center, end. Actually, arc is, suppose I want to start a arc from this end in this direction, in this way. So arc is actually made in the anti-clockwise direction. When I am using this start point, center point, and end point, this one, this way. Another arc, suppose use this method, start, center, end. Now I move in this way, anti-clockwise. Arc is made actually anti-clockwise direction. Start, center, and this one. In this way you can use this method. Okay. Now, third method is start, center, angle. Start, center, angle. I am using this option, start, center, angle. You take anywhere a start. Suppose this is my start point, center point, this one. Now angle. Ortho on, please, or the make the ortho on, this one, in the status bar, this one on. You will see the angle. You can measure the angle, whatever angle you required, at which angle you want to make arc. Suppose I want to mark 135, enter. Now if I join a line from here, this point, and this point, this is the actually enter. Now if you measure this angle, this angle and this angle, this one, so this is 135. Actually this is the included angle actually. Okay, in this way you can make. Next, suppose start, center, length. Can make start point anywhere, center point, and length of the arc. You can give the length of the arc. Suppose length of the arc is 150. Enter. This is the length. How you can measure the length? Angle, align dimension, this one, and this point. This is the length of the arc. In this way you can give the command. Now next option, start. We have seen this point, start, end, start, angle, start, center, length. We have seen start, angle. This is same as this one, previous one. Start, center, angle. This is only sequence is difference. Start and direction. Now it comes here. Start and direction. I will use this method because this start and angle is similar to this one. Start and only sequence is difference. Now I make the start and direction. This option. So for this I will make a geometry here. Line, ortho on this one, this one, enter. Make a offset. Suppose I make a offset at a distance of 200. Enter, select this and click. This is 200. I have made one line at a distance of 200 from this one. Okay, exit the command, offset. Now, I will use this method, start and direction. Okay, if I use this start and direction, direction I am taking 0 degree, 0 degree for example, this one, enter, this one. Again, start and direction. Actually, when you use any command because sequences that will come on the top, you please note this thing. If you see this this command is at number of 1 2 3 4 5 6, but it is coming on this one, so there is no need to go inside. Okay, whenever you use any command, that will come on the top. Okay, now suppose I make from here start and this one, and in this way direction is 180 degree, this one, in this way you can, this slot you can make in this way. Now another is the start and radius, okay, this one. Suppose again I make a line here, this one, enter, out of the command, offset, give distance 200, enter, select and click. This is offset at a distance of 200. Exit the command, offset. Okay, now this option, start and radius, start point, end point. Now you will see radius is, suppose I am giving 100 because distance is 200, total distance is 200, I am giving 100, this one. Now it is made. This one again, start and it is, suppose start and radius 100 mm, this one. In this way you can both with the help of both the method, start and direction, you can make the radius in this way. Center start and center start angle, it is similar to the previous commands, so there is only difference of the sequence only. Okay, now next is the continuous. Suppose you make any arc here. Suppose you make any arc here, 3-point arc, this ortho of this one and this one. Okay, suppose you use this command, continue. Now you will see the command will start from the last arc command, end of the last command, end point of the arc last command, click in this way. Suppose again continue. Now it will start from the last arc end point, this one. Now suppose I draw a line here, this one, enter, out of the command. Suppose now I start continue, it will start from the end point of the line. This is used for drawing the tangent arc, this one again. Okay, in this way you can use the arc command. One more thing I want to explain. Suppose I draw a line here, ortho on this one, enter, offset 200, enter, select, give the distance 200, enter. Suppose this is I zoom it, this one. Distance, if you measure, exit the command. If you measure the distance linear, this is 200. Okay, select, delete it. This is distance between 200. Suppose you use any command, start and radius, this one, start and or radius, orthon of Okay, now you will see the radius is coming in this way, anti-clockwise direction here. Suppose I want to switch the direction. So what I will do, you will see in the command line there is a message coming. Hold control key to switch the direction. Okay, so if you hold the control key this time, now it will change the direction. It is changing the direction, and give the radius 1, enter. Now it will come in this side. Okay, again I tell, suppose start and radius, this one, start point, end point, this one, end point. Now you will see the radius is coming on this side. Okay, before giving the radius value, if you control, you will see there is a message coming. Hold control key to switch the direction. Okay, now hold the control key. Hold the control key. Now our direction is switching to another direction. Okay, now you give the value 100, enter. In this way you can change the direction also. Okay, we want to take more example here. This one, extend this one. Suppose this one, draw a line here, ortho on this one, again delete, line 200, enter, this one 200, enter. Okay, enter, out of the command. Suppose you use this option, start, center, end. This one, second one option, start, center, end. Now because arc is made anti-clockwise direction. If you select this direction, start point, then it is making arc anti-clockwise direction. Suppose now you want to switch the direction. Hold control key, you will see the message coming. Hold control to switch the direction. Control key. This one, this. No. Again, carefully you have to do. Start and center end. Start, center, end. This one. Please make the ortho off here. Now, this is making in the anti-clockwise direction. But message coming, if you want to switch the direction, hold control key, not switch. This one. Now, this one. Control. And now click. In this way, you can switch the direction by holding the control key. I have explained all the commands of R command. Okay. I hope you would have liked my video. You please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.